We need to write the following solution to the compound inequality in interval notation, and I'm going to add on that we'll just go ahead and graph this as well. So let's get our number line. We've got 0. I'm going to just put 17 up here and 4 down here. Okay, so let's do 17 first. It's less than or equal to 17, and so that means we're going to have a solid circle. Okay, so less than or equal to 17, and x is greater than or equal to 4. Because it's equal to, once again, I will have a solid circle and all the numbers bigger than 4. Now this is and. This means the intersection, and so we're looking at places where they both are. If you think of it as a Venn diagram, it's like we're looking at the numbers that are in both sets. Okay, so another way to think of it is you're looking where these lines both are. So we can see the lines keep going, but only between 4 and 17 is where they intersect. So our graph would actually be like this from 4 to 17. That's the number line. Okay. And so interval notation, let's make that a little darker so we can see the line. Our interval notation, we want our smallest number first, which will be 4, and our biggest number second, which will be 17. Now because they're both closed circles, they'll both be equal to, so they'll be brackets, and that's it. So, and we were looking for the place they both are, so it's just that line in between, and then interval notation to represent that section.